Welcome to this important video on preparing for the next pandemic. As we have seen with the COVID-19 pandemic, a global health crisis can have far-reaching impacts on our daily lives and society as a whole. While we cannot predict the exact nature or timing of the next pandemic, we can take steps to prepare for it and mitigate its impact. In this video, we will explore some potential scenarios for the next pandemic and discuss what we can do as individuals and a society to be ready. We will also discuss the importance of public health systems, global cooperation, and individual responsibility in preventing and responding to pandemics. So, let's dive in and learn how we can all work together to stay safe and healthy in the face of the next pandemic. The world has seen unprecedented levels of disruption due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and it has raised questions about the likelihood and potential impact of future pandemics. Although it is difficult to predict precisely how the next pandemic will unfold, experts warn that it is not a matter of if, but when it will happen. In this blog post, we will explore some possible scenarios for the next pandemic and discuss what we can do to prepare for it. One potential scenario for the next pandemic is the emergence of a novel virus that is highly contagious and has a high mortality rate. This virus could originate from a variety of sources, such as wildlife, domesticated animals, or laboratory accidents. The virus may spread rapidly due to globalization, increased travel, and international trade. The pandemic could quickly become a global health crisis, overwhelming healthcare systems and causing significant economic disruption. Another possible scenario is the re-emergence of a previously eradicated virus, such as smallpox or polio. These viruses could re-emerge due to a lapse in vaccination programs or the accidental release of a virus from a laboratory. In this scenario, people who are not immune to the virus would be particularly vulnerable, and there could be widespread outbreaks. A third scenario is the emergence of a bacterial infection that is resistant to antibiotics. This could result from the overuse of antibiotics in healthcare and agriculture, allowing bacteria to evolve and become resistant to these drugs. This could lead to a situation where common infections become deadly, and even minor surgeries become high-risk procedures. So, what can we do to prepare for the next pandemic? First and foremost, we need to invest in robust public health systems that can quickly detect and respond to outbreaks. This includes strengthening laboratory capacity, improving disease surveillance, and investing in research and development for vaccines and treatments. We also need to prioritize global cooperation and information sharing to help contain outbreaks and limit their spread. Individuals can also play a role in preparing for the next pandemic. This includes getting vaccinated when vaccines are available, practicing good hygiene, and following public health guidelines during outbreaks. It is also important to support policies that prioritize public health, such as funding for public health agencies and vaccine research. In summary, preparing for the next pandemic is crucial to ensure the safety and well-being of ourselves and our communities. While we cannot predict the exact nature of the next pandemic, we can take steps to prepare for it by investing in robust public health systems, prioritizing global cooperation, and practicing good hygiene. As individuals, we can get vaccinated, follow public health guidelines, and support policies that prioritize public health. Let's all do our part to prevent and respond to the next pandemic. So, take action today and share this video with your family and friends to raise awareness about the importance of pandemic preparedness. Together, we can make a difference and keep our communities safe.